Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Mileseey S50 laser distance meter, a compact, powerful tool for pros and DIYers alike. Whether you're measuring rooms or outdoor spaces, this gadget promises precision and ease. If you're looking for something to measure around the garage, and if you're looking for something quick to measure in the rooms, and you just don't have the tape to go further than 25 feet, or you just want something quick to pull out of your pocket, this is what you're going to be looking for. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what the hype's all about. Look how sleek this is. At just 5 ounces, it's got an IP54 rating, so it's dust and splash resistant. The 2.5-inch IPS color display is a game changer. Super clear, even in bright light. It auto rotates, so no awkward tilting. And as you can switch between black and white text for better visibility. Navigating is a breeze, and it stores up to 30 measurements, which is awesome for big projects. Now let's talk performance. This bad boy measures up to 400 feet with a crazy 16th-inch accuracy. It uses a class 2 laser, safe and precise, so you can switch between units like feet, inches, or meters. You've got multiple reference points from the bottom, from the top, and even you can put it on a tripod too. There's even a side laser alignment for tricky angles too as well. It helps calculate also area, volume, and Pythagorean theorem calculations. The S50's got you covered. It runs on 2 rechargeable AA batteries, charged via USB-C, so it's super convenient as well. The auto shut off is about 3 minutes, so it saves power, so it also lasts all day for you. And the bubble levels, check it out. There's a setting inside there to where you could actually set it up for a bubble level, so you could ensure your measurements are always going to be spot on. Okay, so here's a good test of what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and measure the inside of this tire, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and measure it from one end to the other. So it comes out to be 1 foot 10 inches. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut out a piece of wood 1 foot 10 inches, and it should fit in here properly, wouldn't you agree? So let's go ahead and give that a shot. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and measure out 1 foot 10 inches on here, which is gonna be 22 inches. And I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it's also square to give it its full honesty behind it, okay? Now, anything I'm gonna be buying off of Amazon, I wanna make sure that it's actually gonna work. It's actually gonna, be as precise as possible, just like they're talking about. Because, one thing is that wood's not cheap these days, okay? It's really expensive. So I'm gonna cut it right down to the T here. Let's go ahead and see if the measurement fits. I mean, it's pretty spot on, and there is no gap between it. I mean, I could beat it in there and it's snug. So I would say that the Mileseey S50 definitely lives up to the hype on how accurate it is. I mean, it's right there to it, like balls on. So you can't get better than that. So the only thing I really don't like about this is that when you're using it outdoors, and if it's somewhat light outside, it's not gonna catch a large structure from far away, okay? Maybe at night, we'll try it a little bit later in the dark, but for right now, we're in the middle of the day. It's about 3 o'clock on a Florida afternoon in September, and it is not registering the building that's over there, which is clearly not 400 feet away. I would say it's about 125 feet away. So that's not gonna work for me. So, but that is one of the negative features I have about it. But anything within proximity, indoors or outdoors is fine, as long as it's not too far away, it works absolutely great. Let's see how far we can actually push it to the limits. For the sake of honesty, I couldn't read the building that was behind me because my hands are a little bit shaky. What I did was I grabbed a tripod to give it an honest to God's chance to see if I could show the distance from this point where the tripod is to the building over there. So let's go ahead and give it a shot and see what we come up with. Try number 1, try number 2, and it gave me 179 feet. So it's the fact that you're going to do something in the daylight, you got to make sure you're holding it steady or something that's far away. I would recommend, if you're doing long distances with it, to use some sort of tripod to connect it to. So the Mileseey 650, I would say it's about an 8.5 out of 10 for me. It's definitely going to be a must-have for any of the contractors out there, DIYers, weekend warriors, who want some sort of precision without the fuss. Grab one and level up your measuring game. Drop a comment if you use one. See you next time.